Welcome back to this video. If you use MTN line and you want to share data from one MTN line to another MTN line, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see step-by-step guide on how to share data from one MTN line to another MTN line without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open up my phone dialer. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you type in *321#. Then make sure you click on send. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here, and then from these options right here, welcome to airtime and data transfer or gift or services. Please select the services to transfer or gift. So what you need to do here is to select number 2 and click on send. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here and make sure you select number 1. Then click on send. Then right here you will need to enter the MTN line you want to share data with. So what we want to do here is to click on here and enter the MTN line. Having entered the MTN line correctly, next thing you need to do is to simply click on send. Then right here, select amount of data you want to transfer. Maximum daily transfer is 5 GB. So you have different options right here. So what I'm going to do here is to simply click on here again, and I'm going to simply type in number 4. I'm going to share 1 GB of data to another MTN line. So having typed in the number, I'll click on send. Please confirm you want to transfer 1 GB from your data bundle to this particular number. So next thing you want to do is to click on here and type in number 1. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to gift data, or how you can share data from one MTN line to another MTN line. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.